I really couldn't understand what kind of item is this, because this 2.4 says that deduction for not using power roller minimum 8 ton capacity while banking for each 20 centimeter layer. In previous items, that is 2.2 or 2.3, what they have said is you have to consolidate with 1.5 ton roller. Note that 1.5 ton roller for each 20 centimeter of banking of soil. That's right. So in this deduction they have mentioned 1.5 in 2.3, but in 2.4 deduct for not using roller minimum 8 ton capacity. So I really can't understand the sync between that. If you understand, if you relate to anything like that, you can say me, because in the previous item they have mentioned each third layer or the top layer, that is 20 20 20, that is 60 centimeter, or the topmost layer should be dealt with vibratory roller 8 to 10 ton capacity. So that is mandatory, they have mentioned. Even for each 20 centimeter power roller it must be used, they have mentioned. But in this case, if you did not use a diesel roller, then this amount is deducted. So the amount is very less. Actually the amount is just 5 rupees 25 paise as per DSR. So this is a deduction item, so hence I will make it so short. What is deducted in this item? That is a diesel road roller of 0.008 day. So for day rent they have considered 0.008 day they have considered for this item. And moreover, chowkidar. What is chowkidar? Chowkidar is security or a person who is taking care of that. When a roller is rolling, one person should guide him to go this way, that way, don't go this way. So this is the area. So guiding purpose, it is equal to unskilled. So unskilled also 0.008 day they have considered. So that is the item inside this deduction. So I really can't relate to which item they are linking to. They have mentioned banking for each 20 centimeter, but the previous item is not like that, as I said, as I explained. So if you know the link between for what they are deducting, let me know in the comment box. Your comments are always invited. Thank you for watching. Stay updated with Zindha CPWD. For more videos, we are going to cover each and every item of DSR one by one.